everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxer from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a melon, crispy prosciutto and burrata salad with some balsamic reduction and basil. The salad is the perfect summer salad, it's very refreshing and tasty, and it's quite easy to make, anybody can do it. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, please don't forget to press the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, let's get started. Let's start working on the balsamic reduction first. Choose a good balsamic vinegar of Modena and add about a cup to a cup and a half to a small saucepan. Place it over medium-high heat until it starts to boil, then lower the heat and let it simmer to reduce. While the balsamic reduces, heat up a skillet and add about 4 ounces of cubed prosciutto and a drizzle of olive oil. If you can't find diced prosciutto, bacon or pancetta also work well in the salad. Sauté until the prosciutto is nice and crispy, then remove from the heat and reserve. The balsamic should reduce to 1/3 to 1/4 of the original volume. It's done when it starts to get thicker and coats the spoon and sides of the pan. The reduction will also thicken more as it cools. Next, let's cut the cantaloupe. I like to serve thick slices, but you can simply cube it if you wish. First, cut the melon in half and remove the seeds. I'm cutting a little notch in one of the sides to have a flat surface to hold the melon in place. Then I'm cutting 2 thick slices. I am then using a round cutter to cut perfect circles for a nice presentation. Again, you can simply cut the melon or slice it in whatever way you prefer. To plate, start with the sliced melon, then add some fresh ground pepper and drizzle with the balsamic reduction. Then, top the melon with the crispy prosciutto. Next, add a piece of burrata in the center. I like to cut it open and add some fresh ground pepper and a drizzle of good olive oil. Then, add some fresh basil leaves. And, just for garnish, I'm adding some edible pansy flowers and some red oxalis. Let's plate a second one. First the melon, fresh ground pepper, the balsamic reduction, crispy prosciutto, the burrata, fresh ground pepper and olive oil, some more balsamic, the fresh basil and optional garnish. And the salads are done and ready to be enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.